The latest US patent filing suggests that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 could depart from the familiar tall and slender design of its predecessors, potentially opting for a revamped hinge mechanism and a broader, thinner overall profile. While it's premature to celebrate just yet, patent filings typically signify that companies have made significant progress, indicating that Samsung may be poised to introduce some noteworthy alterations to its current foldable design. According to the details outlined in the recent patent submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, Samsung appears to be contemplating a substantial design overhaul for the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. A key focus seems to be addressing the issue of thickness when the foldable device is closed. The patent documentation not only illustrates a wider aspect display, but also showcases a substantially modified hinge assembly aimed at maintaining a slender profile while minimizing the appearance of creases on the screen. The sleek cross-sectional profile prompts questions about its potential impact on battery capacity and, consequently, battery life, as well as the validity of rumors regarding the accommodation of the S Pen. Notably, none of the diagrams included in the patent document offer clues about the possible location for storing the stylus, and if it were to be housed internally, the stylus would likely feature flat size, which might compromise its ergonomic design. Alternatively, speculation suggests the likelihood of an externally docked pen, which appears to be a more practical solution. Irrespective of the eventual outcome stemming from the patent approval, there's a palpable sense of anticipation surrounding Samsung's renewed vigor in innovation and design, particularly given the relatively stagnant evolution of its Galaxy smartphone lineup over the years. In the realm of foldable devices, it could be argued that OnePlus has played a pivotal role in stirring Samsung from its complacency with the OnePlus Open. Praised for its optimal foldable aspect ratio, nearly imperceptible display crease, flagship performance, extended battery life with rapid charging capabilities, and robust camera system, the OnePlus Open has garnered acclaim in the US market, standing out amidst competitors like the elongated Fold 5 and the stocky Google Pixel Fold, all while maintaining a comparatively lower price point. In conclusion, Samsung's exploration of new design avenues for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, as evidenced by the recent patent filing, suggests a potential departure from conventional form factors in favor of enhanced functionality and aesthetics. As the tech landscape continues to evolve, the anticipation surrounding Samsung's forthcoming foldable device only intensifies, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the unveiling of this next-generation innovation.